Nation which holds nuclear power holds nuclear global power in the world. Good morning everyone. My lecture topic for today is nuclear doctrine of India. As we know that nowadays nuclear facilities are in India and nuclear facility is required for the major development of the country. We know that India, Pakistan, USA, Russia possess nuclear energy, and India is one of the countries which is having a which have tested nuclear energy in the Pokhran range, and India do possess a stand in the world where nuclear strategy is important for its diplomatic and strategic stance. We know that India has initiated Shanti Bill, which eliminates Atomic Energy Act and Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act, that helps in private countries for contributing in the nuclear facility in India. What it will provide, it will provide private companies, and also it will improve the growth of the nation. Also, it will protect foreign firms in the country. Yet, it had some drawbacks. What are those? It does not have a right of recourse. What if a person is injured from the disengagement of any of the nuclear facility? Then there are no possibility solution for that. So, what happens? Nuclear energy also helps in many of the sectors of a country. Major, it will be electricity or any other power. Nuclear energy possesses renewable sources. It will also improve environmental conditions. There are no carbon emissions in the country, and it will reduce carbon emission in the greenhouse gases, which will impact the global warming. So, to possess a nuclear doctrine in India is a major stance. As we know that there are crises in the world going on for the nuclear possession. Iran possessing uranium, and yet US want to have a control over it to make a stand. As we know, as US know that nuclear possess powerful to possess that, it having a crisis. India's doctrine policy is different. India do possess, but India don't use nuclear stance. For while it has made it clear, if any other country will attack, then only nuclear engagement will be there in those countries. Talking about the initiative which government is taking, government is taking very initiative, as I have talked about the bill which government has initiated. Yet there are some drawbacks in that. India need to possess a clear stance in that, and to hold the nuclear ability, there should be a rules and regulation in majorly the world to possess a strong position in that, so that it is handled carefully, not in the hands of those which are in the global world yet possessing a different quality. So, thank you.